What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got something nice planned for you guys today, another full regular video. I'm here at this little like mini pond fountain thing. It's part of a construction site, but I think they plan on putting houses around here and it's gonna be like a pond with a fountain eventually. Show you guys around a little bit. Well, the sun's that way so you can't see too well, but yeah, it's like a construction site. They're gonna build houses, and I got my X-Max with the paddle tires on it. So we're gonna try to do some hydroplaning. Hopefully you guys are excited. I know I am. We're gonna do some cool stuff right now. I'm gonna put my drone up to get an angle. I'm gonna get all kind of different angles, and I'm gonna see that pond back there. I'm gonna hydroplane my X-Max across the pond. Watch, you guys are gonna love it. Here we go. Check this footage out. Let's get started. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we can do this. Try a short crossing first just to see how it goes. All right, guys, I think we're set up and ready to go. Let me see if I can get a running start here. Oh man. Well, the Insta broke off. At least it didn't break off while I was going across the water. I guess that's gonna be it for the Insta shots. Well, at least we still got the GoPro session on there. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we can do it again. Let's try to do a bigger one this time. Further across. Here we go, guys. This is fun. I'm having a blast. You guys enjoying this video? Yeah, this is fun. Let me put everything back on to record and we're gonna do it again. All right, guys, here we go. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wow. Straight out of the water and took off again. Wow. All right, guys, we're not done. We're still gonna try again. I didn't give it enough throttle. See? Crazy, guys. I gotta quit doing that. I wanted to quit going under for sure. That's twice I've had to go in and get it. Oh man, I think we're done. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like for me, and if you're new, really consider subscribing. We're gonna do big things with this channel. If you guys share it a lot and get me a lot of likes, I'll come back here and try to go across the widest portion of it. So today I was gonna keep going. Our video got cut short because I got it too wet and it wouldn't run. It's got to dry out before it'll work again. But yeah, from submerging it, you seen me have to go in and get it. From submerging it, I had to. It's got to dry out now. It won't run no more, so it stopped working. So I was gonna keep going, but the truck stopped working. Anyway, guys, make sure you drop a like and share the video. Like I said, if you guys get me a lot of likes on this video, I'll come back to the same spot and do it again, and I'll go across the wider part of it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys. See you on the next video. Share it for me. Help it go viral. Later, homies.